Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 2500 Outdoorsman Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white, looks great. You got that white grille with the black up front. You do have your halogen headlights there with your fog lights just down there. You do have your fog light, or your tow hooks as well. Now coming around the side, we do have our Firestone brand tires with our 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming around to the back, you got a massive 8-foot box. Looks great. You do have your chrome bumper back here with your parking sensors. And you do also have your backup camera hanging out right there. Now we can open this guy up. Tons of room back here. It does also have the box liner in it, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Your handle here, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. The seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. Then you also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights there, and your in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Okay, on the inside now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, 31,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around to your speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your trailer tow and your messages and your screen setup, as well as you can turn the menu off. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. You also have your horn in the center, cruise control options right there, as well you got your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera hanging out right there. Now in the center, we do have our touchscreen display. We do also have our AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. Phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, compass, settings, and your more options right there. Volume up and down right here with the mute. You got your screen off, your back button, and your tuner and browser there. Over here we got the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low. And then we have the climate control up and down with the circulation, heat and AC here, hazard lights, and where it's going to blow out of there. Got your trailer brake, your traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brake, and you do also have your parking sensors there on and off. A little bit of storage just in there, some more down here, and you do have 3 cup holders in the center and your armrest, as well as some storage in here. You do have your coin holders here, as well as a USB and 2 aux cord and 2 USB plugins. You also got another seat under here, so it does seat 6 people all together. You can open this guy up, and you do have a little bit of additional storage just underneath there. And then over here we do have our top layer and our bottom layer for our glove boxes. Lots of room in there, as well as you do have the control of the little window in the back right there. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have that same chrome accenting. You do have the control of your windows, handle here, some storage, and some more. Looks great back here. Very comfortable seating. Same material as the front. You can fold these guys down just like that. You got a armrest with some cup holders. You can fold this up and this, and you do have some storage just underneath there, as well as you got this guy right here for a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You also have these guys right here for a little bit of additional storage. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2018 Ram 2500 Outdoorsman. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.